Hey guys, welcome back to Anya's New Things. So today's video is on. I'm going to tell you how to make biscuit shake. It will be very tasty, and the ingredients we want is biscuit. I'm using this Bounce chocolate biscuit. I prefer you to use chocolate biscuit only. Milk, little bit sugar, and cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is optional. If you want to add, you can add. So first we'll take 1 glass milk. This is 1 glass. Little bit, okay. This is 1 glass. I'm showing you. Now what we are going to do is take a biscuit and take a plate. Now take knife. Now we want knife and use it very carefully. Don't hurt yourself. Take the biscuit and separate the cream from it using knife. And if you are not using the knife, then also you can remove it from your hand, but it will be a little bit difficult. So I've separated all the cream of the biscuit. Now what we are going to do is we'll add biscuits in the milk, brush a little bit. Or what you can even do is you can take this and crush the biscuit in it, because it's then if you use this it will be very easy to crush. So what we are going to add 2 biscuits first. Four parts. 2 biscuits. 2 parts joining with is 1 biscuit. So use this carefully. Don't press yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Going to add first in the milk. Now take more 2 biscuits. 4 parts 2 biscuits. We are going to add 4 biscuits in for 1 glass. Just added excess also. Done. One. Forgot. Done. Now just add little bit sugar. We'll make it sweet. So half spoon sugar. Half. Now cocoa powder, optional. We are going to add half spoon cocoa powder. Not even half. This much is like really done for 1 glass. This much. Now just mix it. I mean, using mixer. Using this, I've mixed it, grinded. Serve it. This is literally so tasty. 4 big biscuits each in a glass. And I'm done. Enjoy your shake, but do clean your sink or slab. Enjoy. Real taste. Bye.